Using keyframes for animation in Express Animate. To add animation to an object, add keyframes to the timeline. Then, adjust the parameters at the keyframe to create animation between the keyframes. Continue watching for more about the composition panel and keyframes. Each object in Express Animate has a unique set of properties that can be edited or animated. These properties are listed in the composition panel. The colored bar below the timeline next to each object's title represents the duration of the object. You can edit the duration by dragging left or right with your mouse from the edge of the colored bar. You can also right-click on the colored bar and select Set Duration from the menu to enter a precise duration timecode. Drag the duration bar left or right to select when the object will display. On the left of the composition panel, you will see the object properties. You can expand or collapse this area by clicking on the plus or minus button. You can show or hide the object on the canvas by clicking the eye icon. Mouse over an icon to view a tooltip describing the function of the button. Next to each property name is a small diamond. Use this to add or remove a keyframe. A keyframe is used to define the value of the parameter at a point in time. Animation occurs between keyframes on the timeline. For example, we can change the size of this text using the scale property and adding keyframes. We will add a keyframe by clicking on the diamond next to scale at 0 second, so that it starts out at 100%. Now, we will go to 3 seconds and add another scale keyframe. We can select the final size of the text by either clicking and dragging the object on the canvas or by changing the percentage in the Properties panel. We want our text to remain centered, so we will also add keyframes for position at 0 second and another one at 3 seconds. Review your changes in the Canvas panel using the play controls. If you prefer to edit your keyframes using a curve editor, click on the Curve Editor button at the top of the Composition panel. You will see the curves for the selected property. When effects or masks are added to an object, they will appear in the Properties panel also. For more Express Animate tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.